You're catching on so fast. Come on. Good job, sweetie. We're gonna go see the ducks, huh? Yeah, it's the water fountain. We love the water fountain, huh? Because it's water. But we love the duckies even more. Yeah, I see one. And a fountain. I see two fountains. Where are you going, Kaylin? We have to go this way. Come on. Kaylin, this way. Come on, sweetie. Good job. You'll be driving in no time, Kaylin. Good job, sweetie. This way. That's right. You gotta pick it up and move it if you gotta go the wrong way. Ooh, I see a lot of ducks, Kaylin. Ooh, tomorrow we're gonna go in the pool, Kaylin, at Grandpa's. And look, it's the water. We'll do that in the water for you, Kaylin. It'll be fun. Yeah, look, Kaylin. It's the ducks. Oh, careful now. Come on, let me help you. There you go. You don't want to bother them, though. Ducks. No, let's not go any farther, Kaylin. Yeah, that's ours.